This is Sinclair Alloy here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT for free to make a RealZoo knockoff. To make a Pokemon knockoff. I don't want to get in trouble. I'm gonna be teaching you today how to make your very own animal breeding game. So the first thing that I did to make this RealZoo knockoff was to ask ChatGPT to create a web page that allowed me to create cards with animal names in them. After this, I told ChatGPT to make these cards able to mix with each other. I also told it to disable the ability to mix cards of the same type. For example, I told it to not let the player mix lions with lions, because who in their right mind would try to breed a lion with a lion, right? So instead, now you can breed lions with elephants and elephants with tigers. Sounds logic, right? After I told ChatGPT what it needed to do, I told it to also make it so the parents disappear once the child is created. Here, for example, we have a lion and an elephant. We can breed them together and we get a Elon. But part of the game that Logan Paul also promised was to burn the animals for coins, right? So I told ChatGPT to deduct sync coins from the score when the user presses the breed button, but to add sync coins when the user presses the retire button. Now I had to do some troubleshooting, but mostly the game ran fine right out of the box. Now there's one problem, and that is that I wanted the game to be able to breed the animals, and once the hybrid was created, I also wanted the hybrids to be able to breed. This is something that I haven't seen anyone else do on their version of RealZoo. So I told ChatGPT to enable that function, but here lies the problem. Since you can breed any hybrid with any other hybrid to get a third hybrid, that basically means that you can create infinite combinations of hybrid animals, and that would basically mean that if I wanted to add pictures to the cards, I would have to make an infinite amount of art for this game. So to solve this problem, I told ChatGPT to make use of an API of its choice to give the cards a random picture every time a new name for an animal was created. And would you look at that? It did. And now every single animal will have a unique picture for it. Now of course that doesn't make it look as good as other versions of the game, but I wanted infinite animals and I got infinite animals. That being said, I think this is a pretty good version of the game. I didn't even know how to start this game, but I did, and it took me about 10 hours on ChatGPT. If you want to try this game for free, I have it on my webpage, so be sure to check it out, give it a try, and let me know what you think. Oh, and also there's 0 microtransactions on my version of the game. But if you feel like paying for a coffee, there's a button for it. So that's pretty much it, guys. This has been Sinclair Alloy. See ya. Sync.